Let's discuss the series gone by. Gosh, it's already been a month, and in the series gone by, you had the Nifty, which has gained about 4.5%. And incidentally, so far at least, it's been the best series of 2023, with the Nifty Bank as well gaining about 5%, Nikunj.
You know, Avanne, mathematically...
And then F&O Expiry as well.
I mean, mathematically, yes, 4 series, right? 5 months on the trot, markets have given a positive return. So it's the 5th series where markets have given a positive return. But frankly, if you look at the market from the lens of participation, at least in the F&O market, there is no big bang euphoria. In fact, you know, with this kind of an linear rally, you would look at, you would imagine that FI and the F&O, the total put call ratio, the stance of the market in terms of outperforming sectors like banks and all, really from a trader standpoint, they should be massively overbought, but that is not the story. Markets are certainly not obese, and they're certainly not they've not reached that Humpty Dumpty level. Now, mathematically, you know, post July, August, and August could be a lean month because earnings season would be behind us. You pretty much will have to go to macros, and flows actually are not that excellent. So you may say that markets in the month of August should hit a pause button. I think it's too early, Ayesha, for anybody to say convincingly that, guys, you know, markets have peaked out and it's time to reverse. There's a difference in pause and there is a difference in reversal. All I'm saying is that the market now should logically enter into a pause mode. In a pause mode, you will see distribution, which is select mid-cap stocks will do well, and you will see a lot of volatility. So you got to now see volatility. You are unlikely to see a very sharp reversal. The market is still making higher highs, but it is not really giving you big moves. So the big moves, they are behind us. Volatility should be back, logically speaking, and now you could be in a pause mode. But frankly, I mean, the market has surprised everybody. Even best of the bulls have failed to really kept up the pace, and most of the old timers I've spoken to some of the best market timers, the real wizards of the Wall Street, if I may borrow that term. They are also surprised. They're happy, but they are surprised.
Yeah. You know, I think the bigger question, Nikunj, now is what is the strategy going forward? Like you're saying that we are at almost the end of the earnings season. August, you're not going to have anything by way of earnings, so to speak. No major domestic triggers. Global markets this morning are supportive or have been supportive at large. So what do you do now in terms of a portfolio strategy? Obviously, you don't touch your core portfolio.
So, you know, Ayesha, that is, I think this is where your risk management and your psychology should really kick in. The temptation to book profits is very high because of markets girne wala. You know how much more it can go. But you don't know how much market will go before it actually peaks out. Where you can maintain a discipline, you could say, look, I will not sell, but I will not commit fresh capital. So don't have the FOMO to invest, to put more money, especially just because you've been behind the curve. And similarly, don't be in a hurry to really sell. Now, I'm contradicting myself. You should, if you are bullish, then you should be buying. But no, you don't sell.
Not at these levels.
You don't sell at these levels because markets may just give you another 4-5%. Individual stocks may give you 4-5%. You don't know what the real value of market peak is. We cannot always look at what a Morgan Stanley or a CLSA template is in terms of benchmarking, you know, valuations. When we started the year, with all due respect, every brokerage whom we've respected for years had a flat target for Nifty for this year. They had predicted a flat year for the Nifty. But look at where we stand. So don't sell, but don't commit more capital. If you're talking about a sector, I think pharma and autos, they are the ones which are important now.
Okay, pharma and autos, that's what's on Nikunj's radar. Let's